Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Toyota Crown key fob. Pretty straightforward process. You do need a small flat tip screwdriver about this size and also one of the replacement batteries. This takes one of these 1632 batteries, and these can be gotten off Amazon for just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description. First thing you want to do is on this portion, push this in, and that will release this mechanical key. If you're having problems pushing that in, you can also just use a screwdriver and press right here. Now, take your mechanical key, put it right here, and just give it a gentle twist. There you have access to your dead battery. If you do not have a small screwdriver, you can gently use your mechanical key to get that out. But a small screwdriver is far easier. So take out your dead battery. Your new battery goes in this orientation, and just squeeze these back together. Put your mechanical key back in, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.